All right, so no more distractions. We got the DJI Mic 3, and we're ready to unbox this bad boy. So this is the one I was the most excited for. This is the one that I've been waiting to try out, to open. I wanted the Mic 2. I never got the Mic 2. The Mic 3 came out. They were finally on sale. So let's dive into these bad boys and see what they're all about. Oh, I don't even want to cut the box. What's the nicest way we could do this? Right down this side. Ooh, it's too sharp. You cut the box. You cut the box. But that's okay. The box is just going to go up on top of our closet because we save all of our boxes for some reason. I don't know why. Oh, yeah. Get this out of our way. Get this out of our way. We got this handy dandy little box here, which is pretty freaking sweet. I'm just going to throw that on the floor for now. But let's see. What kind of box is this? Just pop the top. Yep. Yeah, everything I open that's DJI is just like so nice. We do have a user manual in there and a sticker. They always come with these cool stickers, which is nice. So we'll put that off to the side. Nice little bag here. We gotta open it real nice in case we have to do this unboxing video again because we messed something up. Put that off there. Look at this premium bag, little carrying case. This thing, shoot, DJI, man, they just know what the deal is. What do we got here? We got wind guard, not only 2 wind guards, 4, 2 gray and 2 black. Solid. What do we got here? Oh, little magnet clips. I don't know if you'll be able to see those very well. Two very tiny and very strong magnet clips. Let's see if you can get it. They're just, we'll just leave this right here for now. We got, looks like our 3.5 jack and our USB-C. So we got 3.5 jack and a USB-C to USB-C. So we got that going on there for us. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the actual mics. Let's go. Right here. Press here to unlock. All right, we gotta pull this little guy off. That's wonderful. Put that over there. All right. It's even got a lock. Oh my god. These things are looking beautiful. All right. So what's in this little box? We got phone adapter, which is extremely hard to get out. Okay. It's a magnet. That's why. So this USB-C, this is going to be your phone adapter. It has a magnet thing on the back, so I'm not 100% sure how this is going to connect. And then we got the actual receiver. It's got a setup right here, English. Okay. We'll worry about that in a minute. I don't know why. I figured that would, it's touchscreen? Oh my God. We got to set the date. We got to set the time. Environment, indoors or outdoors. So we'll go indoors. And it looks like that's set up right there. So we got that set up. Oh, look how tiny these little guys are. Now, not quite as tiny as the small rig S70s, but these pack a bigger punch, but we'll let you guys decide because we're going to do the same thing we did in that video. We're going to plug these directly into the camera, listen to the camera feed, and then also listen to what this sounds like right out of the box. So right now, I just pulled this out, and this thing is already ready to go. I didn't set anything up other than picking English and setting it indoors. But again, this thing's set up, ready to go. The only thing I don't see on here, well, let's hold on. Let's get the rest of this stuff out of here. So we got transmitter and the receivers. Beautiful. All right, so this setup is pretty sick. Now, I noticed here, let's see, what do we got here? See, so we got TX2 recording. What the hell? You see that? It mutes that one. Regular, basic, strong, regular, rich, bright. All right, we'll leave it on regular and we'll leave that one off because that was off. Dude, the fact that this is a touchscreen is crazy. So you can just record just like that. Now, it looks like only one of these is picking up being on. So maybe this case didn't come with this one charged. Let's see. This one just might not be charged, which is not the end of the world. We have the transmitter 2 out right now. And we are, man, I am hype about this. So we got a monitor so we can actually listen to what we have going on. We have our out. So we can put this in our out. What the heck? This is even a locking cable, so you can turn this in and lock that into the side of this. So nothing's coming out. It's not, you're not gonna risk this thing unplugged or nothing. So that thing's tight now. Can't get it out. Now I am curious. I hit mute. There we go. So it vibrates when you unmute it. It vibrates when you turn on the basic, which I don't know what the basic is. I don't know if that's noise canceling. I'm going to assume that's noise canceling. So we got no noise canceling, basic noise canceling, and strong noise canceling. Now, one of the most exciting features about this is that these can record the audio right here. They don't need a device to connect to. So if you just want to like record yourself talking and plug this into the computer, you can get your audio clips right from this. You don't have to have a camera. You could just use this transmitter. So super freaking cool. Again, I don't know exactly how this is supposed to connect. I probably should have looked that up, but what fun is that? And I think the only thing left to do right now is, why don't we plug these bad boys in and see what they sound like, huh? There's actually a lock feature on the side here. Not 100% sure what that does. Whoa, hold up. Wait a minute. Actually, okay. So we just figured that out. So there's a lock button right here. Push this lock button, slide this out, and guess what? Yep, you thought right. This is going to slide right in there. And now you're going to be able to plug this whole contraption into your phone and be able to use it just like this. So, in my opinion, that is bulky. That is a bulky piece to plug into the bottom of your phone compared to the other ones that we were using. The S70, it's just like a little tiny thing. This is a ginormous contraption to plug into your phone. So, I want to say this receiver is Bluetooth, but I don't know for sure. Again, remember, these are just the unboxing videos. We just go over just our first impressions on this thing, what we think, what we like about it. And then we'll do a full breakdown video once I get a chance to use these and go through all the instructions and figure everything out. All right, microphone off. Noisy room engage. Ever to get this thing plugged in. So 3, 2, 1, plugged in. We should now be recording on the DJI mics. How do we sound now? Okay, remember this mic, I'll even mute it so you guys know I'm not using this mic. Also, we're not editing this aspect of this part of the video whatsoever. We're not going to reduce noise. We're not going to do any type of post-production work on this audio. This is the raw sound out of the box without changing any of the settings. Now that you hear me right now, you can probably hear my chair. Put this down the desk. My 3D printer's on back there. Clicking that close. Now, real quick, while I have this right here, why don't we go back to where we were? All right, I got back. All right, so right now we're on regular. I'm gonna put the basic, which I'm assuming is noise canceling on right now. So we got a basic noise canceling on. Again, open this box, close it. My chair's moving all around, making squeaky noises. 3D printer's on in the background over there as well. We can also come into a strong noise canceling. Not 100% sure if that's going to sound weird or if it's going to mess up our voice or if it's just going to sound way too quiet. Again, open this up, close it, tap on the desk, see if it's picking anything up. And then I'm also interested to see what these other sounds are. So right now we're on regular. Let's turn that into rich. So right now we're in rich. Again, this has like 3 pre-programmed little EQ that you can put on and change, and I guess you can listen to it and see what voice you like better. It has a slightly different tone. So this one right now that we're recording on is rich. And then for one more, we got bright. So this is going to be bright, and this is the strongest noise canceling. Again, my chair is super noisy. We've talked about this before, so absolutely hate it. I'll try and figure out something to do about that because I feel like that's just uncalled for, right? Like, I mean, you might not even be able to hear it because the noise canceling is so good on these things, but nonetheless, this is the audio right out of the box. We got the strong noise canceling on and the bright setting right now. So let's go back to normal. Let's take the noise canceling off. Everything's now back to factory settings. And why don't we get all this stuff back in the box here? So one thing, this microphone out. And let's take a look at how these connect before we get out of here. If you want to leave now, go for it. I appreciate you stopping by. Camera's about to overheat anyway. So, you know what? Let's save this for another video. The next video, I want to see if these fit on here and inside the box. That's what that right there is a game changer. These fit in the box on top of the microphone. So anyway, let me see, we got 20 minutes. Oh my God. All right, guys, I appreciate you staying through this whole video. Be sure to stop by the next one, and we are gonna hit up the Wireless Pro Rode mics. These are next on the list, so be sure to stop back in and let me know what you guys think about these, because these are gonna be pretty sweet.